there, my name is Ollie from Manchester. Today I have for you the Ford Transit Dropside tipper. This one comes from 2021 and has 47,000 miles upon the clock. As you can see, this is also a crew cab 7-seater as well. So there's plenty of room for you and your whole team to haul around anything you may want to. This has a 6-speed manual transmission as well as Bluetooth hands-free cooling upon the steering wheel, radio, heating as well. Now we'll just show you the back 4 seats. And there is plenty of legroom in here as well. Now when it comes to the actual drop side bed at the back, as you can see, the sides do of course fold down, and I will just show you around where the controls are. So just next to the driver's seat, just down here, has to operate when the handbrake is up. Quite simply, down we go and it will come down for you. You get the idea. It does go all the way to the bottom, but I just want to keep this video quite short and simple. And like, just for example, I will just show you what the drop side, as you can see on the tipper. So this does happen on both other sides as well, making it very easy to get items in and out of the bed. And if you would like to find out more about this vehicle, then please feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk. If you're watching this video on YouTube, it is in the description, or you can head over to our site in Pablo, just outside of Reading, and you never know, one day this could be working for you.